Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to add or change your Facebook profile picture. Whether you're looking to update your profile with a fresh image or simply want to learn the process, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through every detail, making it easy for you to showcase your best self on Facebook. Let's get started. To edit your profile picture on Facebook, go to your profile page by logging into your Facebook account. Locate your current profile picture, which is displayed in the picture frame at the top of your profile. Click on the camera icon in the corner of the picture frame. This will open the profile picture editing options. If the image you want to use as your new profile picture has already been uploaded to your Facebook account, you can search for it to use it as your profile picture. If the desired image is not in your Facebook photos, you can upload it by selecting Upload Photo. Navigate to the photo on your computer and choose it to upload. Once you've selected your new profile picture, you can adjust it as needed. You have the option to zoom in and crop the photo to frame it the way you want. Additionally, Facebook offers an option to make the new picture temporary for a specific time period before it automatically reverts back to your previous profile picture. If you wish to use this feature, select the desired time duration. If you want to add a frame to your profile picture, explore the available frame options. These frames can include clip art or banners promoting various causes or events. Choose the frame that appeals to you, and it will appear in the preview of your profile picture. You can also make the frame temporary if you prefer. If you'd like to change your profile picture without notifying everyone in your friends list, follow these additional steps. Click on the three dots button on your updated photo post. Select Edit Audience from the menu that appears. Choose the Only Me option from the audience settings. This ensures that your updated profile picture won't be shared with anyone else, and it will only be visible to you. By following these steps, you can edit your Facebook profile picture while maintaining the overall procedure as provided.